What is going on, good people? This is Cam with Elevated Lawnscapes, and we are back at it again. And as you can see, today ain't the best day to be outside doing yard work out here in the yard. But as I always say, if you're striving to have those immaculate lawns, hey, you got to know we working, rain or shine. So in this one, we're going to be giving you a quick tip. It's not going to be a long, elaborate video, but it is going to be a quick tip on if you are experiencing the weather that we're having right now in Maryland. All this week and into next week, we're supposed to have those cloudy spots of sun, rain showers that are supposed to be coming down. Nothing heavy, no thunderstorms or anything like that projected, but it's just been a slow, soft rain. This is the perfect time for you to get out and do some of your spot seeding that you need to do. And the good thing about it is the temperatures are gonna stay right around that perfect level for you to be able to get good germination. And if you're like me and you haven't turned your irrigation on, you don't have to worry about it. The man upstairs is gonna provide the rain for you, and it's gonna help you get that germination within the next week or two that you're gonna need without running up your water bill. All right, here's what you're gonna need. One quick tool, garden weasel, cultivator, whatever you wanna call it. Love it. This thing is hands down a game changer in just spot seeding and quick seeding that you need to do. Next thing that you're gonna need, a quality seed. That's all you're gonna need. You know me, I'm going with my Mountain View top choice lateral spread. Love it. They're always coming through. Seed is amazing. So I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Really quick and easy. You just need to break up the soil, put seed down, work the seed in. Done. Then you'll let the man upstairs water it in for you, get everything squared away, and you'll be good to go. Sit back, wait for that grass to start growing. This is about what the amount of seed looks like that I've put in the area. And I've done that all throughout. And at this point, we'll go ahead and we'll come back again with the garden weasel, and I'll work that seed in until it's almost gone. And then that way I know I have it down into the soil and I won't have to worry about it as much of washing away or moving from the area that it's actually in. All right, let's get to it. So as we can see now, the seed is worked into the soil. Can't really see any of the seeds, which is what you want. You want that good seed to soil contact, and to make sure that at this point the seed is now worked into the soil and we're not going to really have to worry about it washing away or moving around very much. As you can see, can't really see any of the seeds. That's the best thing you want to do. make sure you come back with that garden weasel again and work that seed into the ground. Hey, look what we got over here. Mr. Earthworm. One of the best things you like to see in your lawn and garden. One of the best aerators of your soil and for your soil health. It's a good sign to see. All right, so now we've got our seed down. We're good to go. We've still got this nice soft rain that's falling and we're in good shape. So if you're not having rainfall and you do need to do some spot seeding, you can still use the same process. The only difference is you're actually going to have to water. So you want to make sure if you're not getting adequate rain where the seed in the soil is staying moist, you have to make sure that you're watering. That watering is going to depend on your temperature, your sun, how much sunlight you're getting in those areas. You just want to make sure that it is going to be moist at all times for at least about 2 to 3 weeks. That's going to be during your germination period. And then by that point, you should be about ready for your first mow. And I would say after that first mow, you're good to go to be able to go back to your normal watering. With that being said, we've got the seed down. Everything's good to go. Make sure you get out there, drop some seed if you've got some nice rain that's coming or some of those good overcast like days with some spots of sun. Make sure you get out there and toss those seeds down. You'll get rid of those little bare spots in no time. So make sure you're using a quality seed. You're working the seed into the soil. As I always say, if you're striving to have those immaculate lawns, just know we working.